witness our graduation, teachers, parents, students, and fellow graduates, a blessed morning to all of us. Today, we celebrate a chapter of our life as students. The first step toward success, our graduation. First of all, I want to express my gratitude to my teachers who tirelessly taught and served as second parent during 6 years school. To all of you dear teachers, thank you very much. To my fellow classmates, thank you as well. I'll never forget the beautiful moment we shared, even though we sometimes had misunderstandings. I'm also deeply grateful to my parents, Papa, Mama. Thank you for everything, for guiding me, for taking care of me, and for your unwavering love and understanding my mistakes. You are always there in touch of my triumphs and weaknesses. I may not always say it, but Papa and Mama, I love you very much. And most especially, dear Father in heaven, thank you for guiding me and giving me strength every day. I cannot fully express the joy I feel today. Even this graduation is just simple one due to the pandemic we are experiencing. Even though I am leaving a integrated school as student, all lessons and experiences will never be forgotten. Thank you, Napo Integrated School. On behalf of the graduating class, we cordially invite you to join us. Welcome to the 43rd graduation year of our humble school. Good morning and long live all of us.